the flask. Then we will add 2 drops of red color and 2 drops of blue color. So let's do it. Now I will take this beaker and in the beaker is the oil. Then I will put the oil in the flask. Now let's stir it. Look guys, this is fine.